Hello there. Hi. A bit of an impromptu Facebook Live today to go through some of the upcoming classes that I posted yesterday, because I had a little bit of a splurge. That's how I roll. So once I get in my diary when all my classes are going to take place, then I sit down and I get a lot of them on in one go. So that was yesterday. That was the day. So please do say hi if you're watching. I'll try and keep my eye on comments, actually. So please do say hi. Oh, I've not turned my laptop down. I've got one person watching, so please feel free to say hi, keep me company. So I'm going to go through my 4 sort of big, if you want to phrase it like that, Christmas events that I have coming up. I will have other events. These are not solely my only Christmas events. I do have some other ones in mind. But Christmas crafting has commenced, much to Craig's disbelief, but I've told him, us crafters, we start this in the summer. So this is I keep all my papers when they're in action. I keep them all, when I say action, when they've been cut into, I keep them all in one of these file folders. So in chronological order, this is the next coffee and card. Now, I have given you wrong dates for this one. It actually starts on Tuesday the 10th of September. So there are 2 weeks left to book on for this one. And there are 4 options available for this now. Thank you to my customer Carol, who gave me an idea. But this is Coffee and Card Round 42 with the green and gold papers. And there's option A, which is just a full pack of the papers. The gorgeous papers. I'm doing this because I think I put so much on yesterday that I wanted people to see what there was and what was available. That option A is just to get the papers and the card kits. It's a 6-week course. Option B is to get half a pack of these and the stamp set, which I should have got out. Hang on. So option B is the stamp set and half a pack of the papers. Yeah, option C is half a pack of the papers, the stamp set and the dies. And if you go for this one, I'm going to give you for free a full reel of the gorgeous, very vanilla satin ribbon and some card to make some tags to match your cards. So yeah, that's option C. And then yesterday I added option D, which is if you already have greeting stamp sets, if you've already got those covered Christmas stamp sets, then option D, we take those out of the equation and we just go for, we get half a pack of the papers, the card kits and these wonderful dies. So that's option D, okay? And all of these are available on my booking website, and I will put the link in the comments. So I'll pop that to that side, and shall I show you some of the cards that I've made with this? Now, some of these papers have a white base and some have a vanilla base, so it's quite a nice one to do. I've tried to make some of the cards, there's not much stamping because it's just a greeting that's being stamped. So that's one. I have another one. And lots of different greens in these papers and in these projects. So there are some of the cards. We are going to be doing 6 cards. And you can book here. Excuse me while I lean over and type. So that's Coffee and Card Round 42. Prices start at £26 plus postage. Sorry if you can hear a lawnmower. There's always noise here, always somebody doing something, whether it's builders or, yeah, DIYers. So yeah, that starts on the 10th of September. So the last bookings for this are Tuesday the 27th of August. Okay, so that's that one. Let me close my window. Hopefully that shuts the sound out a little bit. And then the next event takes place, a Christmas one, is our Paper Crafts and Piano in-person event. That takes place on the 12th of October. Now, we do only have 5 people booked on for this so far, so we would love to see. It's a bit more of a treat price, but you're going to get all your food included for the day, snacks, drinks and things like that. Craig playing the piano. It's going to be a lovely day. So I don't have all of the products here that are included, but I'm going to go through some of them with you. So first up, we're working on projects using the reindeer days. So these are the papers. This is for Paper Crafts and Piano. I love the colours. I just love that one. And I will tell you what the colours are in this pack. Early Espresso, Garden Green, Granny Apple Green, Pecan Pie, Pool Party and Real Red. So some nice colours in here, some of my faves. Some nice ones for cutting out. I just love them. Love that one. And then I think this one's my favourite one. You know me, I love my Pool Party. Okay, so they are the Reindeer Days papers. So you're going to get those along with the stamp set. This is Paper Crafts and Piano Day on the 12th of October. This is an in-person event. Sadly, it can't be done. I'm saying it can't be done. It's an in-person event, but if you want the kit, then let me know and I can send on details of the projects that we'll make. This is the stamp set. I am awaiting the dies, okay? But the fun of this one is in the extras, in my opinion. Now I just need to get it right, so I'm just going to check my catalogue. I'm not allowed to share the inside of that with you yet. Okay. Now there's a couple of products that I couldn't get, but they are now on their way to me. One is the dies and the other is some boxes. So we're also going to be using these gorgeous peppermint embellishments. How cute are they? And this is something I'm so excited about. We're going to be using this red and white baker's twine. So I love that. Now I might also, even though this ribbon isn't from this suite, it does match, and I might bring some of this in to the class, to the project, which is this gorgeous Pool Party pom-pom trim ribbon. That's from another suite, but I might bring a little bit in, because there's always a crossover, isn't there? So you're going to get the stamps and the dies, the papers and embellishments. You're going to get well looked after with lunch and then 3 snacks and 3 lots of snacks and drinks throughout the day. There's also a coffee bar just in the next room, like 1 minute if that, walking from the room we're in, private room we're in, and it serves Starbucks coffee. So that's fabulous. That's on the 12th of October. I've popped the link to book any of my events in the comments. Working my way through them. The next one is, as I say, these are just some of my Christmas ones. Coffee and Card round 43, which will start on the 22nd of October. And I'm very excited about this. Well, I'm always excited about all my events. I did share these papers on my YouTube yesterday. Oh dear, there we go. So these are called Snowy Scenes, or it's a Snowy Scenes bundle. Okay, so it's like cute things and snow globes and nice colours. So I'm going to go through the papers and houses too. Just to let you know, I'm also going to be doing a paper share too. And this Coffee and Card is available as just option A or option B only. So option A is just the full pack of papers and the card kits. Option B is with the bundle. I can't show you the dies because they haven't arrived yet. Look at those houses, I love them. Oh, I've got 3 watching. Please do say hi if you can, if you're able. Oh, here we go. How cute are those? I know a few people who have a thing about penguins and will love those. Very useful holly one. And a stripe, and then we're back to those houses. So this is the Coffee and Card round 43. The stamp set that goes with it is this one. Some nice greetings. Got a Happy New Year stamp as well in there, which is good because it's not a New Year set. So it's just an extra in a Christmas set, which is quite nice. Hi Caroline. So yeah, this is Coffee and Card round 43. And this, I'll show you part of the suite. Hang on. This is part of the suite. This ribbon, which I've just showed you, belongs to this suite. And so do these loose snowflakes. Nice shaker cards in the snow globes. So they belong to that suite, okay? So there's probably going to be some... but I think we could also bring the red twine into this and use that. We could also bring the peppermints in and use those. So you can mix and match across. Okay, that is Coffee and Card round 43. And then finally, my festive treat day. I love doing my treat days. I do 3 a year, really around the seasons. I don't do an autumn one, but I do a spring one based on the spring catalogue. I do a summer one that's using the annual catalogue, and I do a festive one that uses the mini catalogue again. So I've gone a little bit more classic for this one, and when I say festive, it's not just Christmas. So these could be adapted and we can make things non-Christmassy and Christmassy. So for those of you who don't do too many, hey Suze, who don't do too many Christmas projects, then this is great. So a little bit different for me. No dies included in this festive treat day. 3 stamp sets. Yep, 3 stamp sets included in this day. So you're going to get my favourite stamp set in the whole of the mini catalogue. You know me, I love a house. I don't know what it is. I love a house stamp set. So we're going to be using the Yuletide Village stamp set. Now humour me here, because these papers are from a totally different suite, but I can just see, hang on, once I can find it, I can just see those houses, a church with these snowflake papers behind. So for this festive treat day, I'm not going to go reds and greens like traditional Christmas. It's going to be more your pool party, more subtle colours like that, some browns and things like that. Okay, so we're going to do that. We're also maybe going to do, if people have this, a little bit of heat embossing. So I'm going to include, because I think people don't buy these and they overlook them, but I'm including a background stamp for the first time ever. I think I've included in a class probably. This falling snow background, such a useful background stamp. And think of that stamped onto some pool party card and heat embossed in white. Then there's also another stamp set that's going to be included. It's called Peaceful Season. I don't have it yet, but it's a greeting stamp set. Okay, so that will be where your greetings, and there's loads of greetings. I'll show you the papers. So they are part of the Winter Nests suite of products. So there's lots of birds in them. I mean, I love this one. As you can see, they are a little bit festive, as in wintry, but not overly Christmassy. So I've took a gamble, because in the other events it's very, very Christmassy, but I just think they're gorgeous. Nice colours. I will tell you the colours that coordinate with this. I mean, we can make some really lovely cards just by cutting this one piece of paper down. Now this is one of my higher price events, not for an online event. The last treat day was actually £135 because it included 2 bundles. This one I've been able to bring in at £105 because it contains 3 stamp sets and no dies. So you can pay in 3 monthly instalments at £35 per month, and it's on the 2nd of November. I just think the papers are lovely. And we're also going to include, you know I love my linen thread. We've got coloured linen thread. Yeah, natural tones linen thread that goes with it. So let me just check out the colours. I know, does it say in this catalogue? No. And you will get some embellishments too. I don't have those yet. There is a stamp set and dies to match this, but I thought it would work really well with the Yuletide Village. Okay, and obviously another stamp set. So that's on the 2nd of November. So I hope that's given you a little bit of an insight into what I've got coming up Christmas event wise, using products from this mini catalogue and from the online exclusives. If you do have any questions, then please drop me a Facebook message and I will get back to you. I am going to be doing some simpler classes at a lower price bracket, maybe some non-stamping classes to do some quick Christmas cards. So please do look out for those if you're interested in those. But in the meantime, thank you for watching this video. I'll try and upload it onto my YouTube and also send it to my customer group so that you can watch there. So thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon. Thank you. Bye.